Hula who is this? Doctor at content creator, umaming natakot i-pursue ang career na maging director. Kwento ng special guest ni Pia Arcangel sa kanyang podcast. Sino kaya ang internet celebrity na ito na dream noon na maging film director? Sino mag-aakala na ang sikat na celebrity doctor sa TikTok na may mahigit 5 million followers, dati pa lang nangarap na maging isang director? Nakakagulat pa na bago siya nag-decide na i-pursue ang medicine career niya, naging pre-med niya ang kursong Communication Arts. Sa naging exclusive interview ni Pia Arcangel sa kanyang podcast na Surprise Guest, ikinuwento ng internet sensation kung bakit nagbago ang desisyon niya na mula sa pangarap niyang maging parte ng entertainment industry ay napili niyang manggamot ng kapwa. Lahat ng licensed physician sa Surprise Guest podcast, well madaming factors none that's influencing the decision. Pero yung original plan ko, kasi was from Com Arts mag-aaral sana ako sa Cebu Film Institute. However, I was afraid to take the risk. I wasn't sure if I was going to become a successful director or any kind of position in the film industry or entertainment industry. So I decided to revert back na lang to the childhood dream, I guess, which is to become a doctor. And my mom is also the doctor. Kaya nung tinanong ko siya kung pwede ba na dumiretso ako ng med school, kahit na Com Arts, yung pre-med ko, okay lang naman daw. Dagdag pa ng guest ni Pia, so for me it felt like, was going towards the safe decision, yung pagdo-doctor, kasi parang good fallback siya in my head. But, after med school parang hinahanap-hanap pa rin nung puso ko, yung production and creating videos, writing. Kaya I decided to integrate na lang both and a medical degree and communication arts degree through content creation on social media.